We gave two of the world's most advanced AIs a dangerously flawed industrial design, a ticking time bomb with a hidden flaw that could cause catastrophic failure in the real world. One AI was the perfect student, following instructions to the letter. The other went rogue. It questioned the foundation of the design itself. The results weren't what we expected, and they reveal something every engineer needs to understand before betting a project on AI. Our challenge: a large-scale petroleum storage tank governed by API 650, the Bible for building giant welded steel tanks. We built a full design package, calculations, specs, schematics, and buried 7 dangerous planted errors inside it. Steel too thin for the load, math that contradicted itself, a disabled safety feature, procedural shortcuts that break the standard. We handed this to 2 contenders: Claude Sonnet 5, Anthropic's fast, cost-effective workhorse built for defined workflows. We're casting it as the perfect student, the disciplined engineer who nails the checklist every time. Claude Fable 5, Anthropic's top-tier model built for deep, long-horizon reasoning and reading complex, unstructured technical data. We're casting it as the creative genius, the seasoned architect who questions the assumptions behind the work, not just the work itself. One flawed design, 2 philosophies. Let's go. We gave both models the full package with the errors we'd planted. Audit this against API 650. Find the failures. Undersized shell plates in self-contradicting math? Both models caught it instantly, reran the calculations themselves, and cited the exact clause violated. The defeated frangible roof joint and the missing telltale hole, critical safety items? Both flagged them immediately, explaining the real-world risk in plain language. The subtler paperwork failures, an unjustified test exemption, a missing stability check, an outdated code addition? Both caught all 3. Round 1, a dead heat. Both AIs were perfect students. If the story ended here, you just use Sonnet 5. Same result, a fraction of the cost. But it doesn't end here. Sonnet 5 delivered exactly what we asked for: a clean, precise, perfectly scoped report on the 7 items. No more, no less. Fable 5 did the same audit, then kept going. It found things we never planted. It flagged a structural contradiction we hadn't even built into the checklist. Cross-referencing the drawings against the calculations, it caught that the roof design and its load assumptions didn't actually agree with each other, an internally incoherent design. Sonnet 5 never surfaced this. Then it went further, surfacing a bonus finding on a stress interaction between a nozzle location and a weld detail, the kind of thing an engineer might only catch after years of hands-on experience. Sonnet 5 checked the boxes. Fable 5 read between the lines, behaving less like an auditor and more like a principal engineer with a duty of care. So who wins? The engineer who knows when to use each one. Sonnet 5 is your tool for defined, scalable, compliance-driven work. Audits against a known checklist, quality control at volume, anywhere speed and cost matter most. Fable 5 is your tool when the cost of missing a hidden flaw is catastrophic. Final reviews of mission-critical designs, root cause analysis, anything where you need the AI to question your assumptions, not just answer your questions. The future isn't one best model, it's a team, the diligent executor, and the seasoned architect who sees the whole system. Which persona do you trust more with your next project? The obedient executor or the challenging systems thinker? Tell me in the comments.